Hey, it's me. You've probably used ChatGPT to write an email, brainstorm ideas, or just have fun, right? But what if I told you that behind every clever answer, there's a darker side most people never see? Today, I'm exposing 3 hidden ethical dilemmas of ChatGPT that you definitely need to know. Let's dive in. Dilemma number 1, amplified bias and discrimination. Here's the thing. ChatGPT learns from the internet. And the internet, well, it's full of bias. In fact, researchers found that GPT-3, ChatGPT's predecessor, linked the word Muslim to violence in 66% of its responses. That's not just a glitch, it's a mirror of the data it was trained on. Political bias shows up too. ChatGPT has refused to write positive poems about some politicians, but happily did so for others. Even gender stereotypes sneak in, like always making the CEO a man and associating women with family roles. Experts are clear, this isn't just a technical bug. It's a systemic issue, caused by non-diverse teams and unrepresentative data. Fixing it takes more than a patch. It needs a complete rethink of how we train AI. Now, dilemma number 2, privacy violations and data exploitation. Did you know ChatGPT stores what you type, your IP address, and even your location? That's why Italy banned it in 2023 for unauthorized data collection. But it gets worse. Hackers use ChatGPT to write scam emails so convincing that 89% of users actually click the links. And since its training data includes social media, there's a real chance your posts, or even private info, could resurface in someone else's chat. Privacy advocates warn that ChatGPT's data policies put business first and users last. There's no end-to-end encryption, and deleting your data isn't as straightforward as it should be. Honestly, it feels like the Wild West of data privacy. Dilemma number 3, exploitation and data labeling. Here's something you probably never thought about: the people who make ChatGPT safe for us. OpenAI outsources moderation to workers in low-income countries, sometimes paying as little as $2 a day. These people sift through the worst stuff on the internet: trauma, violence, hate speech, with basically zero mental health support. Many report long-term psychological harm. And tech giants? They dodge responsibility by hiding behind subcontractors. Ethicists say, if we call this ethical AI, we need to demand fair wages and real protections for these workers. So what can you do? Demand transparency. Ask for clear data policies, source citations, and ethical AI badges. Push for strong regulations that protect users and workers, not just profits. And support companies that actually care about privacy and fair labor. Look, AI like ChatGPT isn't going away, but if we ignore these problems, we're all part of the problem. Smash that subscribe button for more eye-opening breakdowns, and let's demand better AI together.